Welcome back, students. In this lecture we will see the solution of the session 1, then we will start the session 2. Okay, now see what is in session 1. Which of the following styles are not supported in the OpenOffice Writer? So in your textbook there is one mistake is there. Character style A and character styles D both are similar styles, so you have to change it by change style. So at that time answer will be D, change style. Which of the following file extension is not compatible with OpenOffice Writer? So in that, CSV file is not compatible with that. In which menu of OpenOffice Writer is the style and the formatting option present? So it is format. What is the shortcut key to style and formatting option in OpenOffice Writer? So that is F11. Next question answer. Define styles in OpenOffice Writer. Styles are a predefined combination of font styles, color, size of text, indentation, alignments that can be applied to the selected text, characters, paragraphs, or to change the appearance of the document. That is called the styles. State the use of character style. Using the character styles, we can change the appearance of the selected text. For example, we can change the font name, font size, we can set bold, italic, underline, we can set the highlight color also. So this is called the character styles. Number 3, write down the steps to applying styles in OpenOffice using the any method. So for example, first step 1, we have to click on the format or simply press F11 from the keyboard and go to the style and formatting window. It will be appear. Now from there click on the required styles icon, like whatever you want to apply. Click on that icon, then it will display the list of all its particular styles. Then step number 3, place the cursor in the paragraph on which you are going to apply. Then click on the frame or the page that needs to be modified and double click on that styles. Okay, this way we can apply these styles. Give a note on creating new style using the dragging and dropping. To do so, we have to open the styles or formatting window by pressing F11. Also we can open. Now select the text whose formatting you want to change, then drag the text to the styles and formatting to open the window, and from there you can type the name of your new style and click on OK. So this you can create your new style using the drag and drop method. Okay, and now number 5 and the last is, Aman wants to create a customized style having selective formatting effects of his choice. How can he do so? So to do so, he has to select first the formatting window or press F11 from the computer. Now select the object or the text whose format you want to use, then select the formatting, then click on new style from the selection drop down, click on the drop down menu and then click on update styles. So you can change the necessary things as you want. So students, this much only for the self-assessment 1 from the session 1. You have to write these MCQs and the question answer in your notebook and send to me also. Now after this we are going to start session 2. Inside this we will learn how to insert image in the document. So let's start the writer first. I have already started the writer in my computer, so I will start the writer here. See, yeah, I have started it. Now we want to insert the image inside the document. So whatever you want to insert, it will be inside the insert menu. Okay, now from here we want to insert the image, so the picture option is there inside that. So you have to find out the picture option. Now let's see, it is here. Now we have two options here, insert from file and scan from the computer. Okay, if you have a scanner then you can scan it directly, but if you don't have a scanner and you want to send, we have already downloaded from the internet, then you have to click on the from file. Okay, from file, wherever you have copied the photos, select that photo. Okay, and then click on the open, then the particular photo will be appear like this. Okay, now if you want to add another photo, similarly go to the insert, click on picture and click on from file. Now this time select the second photo and click on open. The second photo will be appear like this. See, 1 and 2, right? But if you want to replace it, you can also replace, you can minimize it by using this arrow key. You can resize also the photo. Okay, so we have added the photos inside the document. We can resize it like this. Okay, we want to put two photos at the same place, we can drag it and we can put it here like this, see. Okay, so this way we can insert the image from the file. Okay, now if you want to copy it, then you can copy it also. Open that photo, right, and then we can click it. Here it is. Then we can just right click on that, make a copy, then open the writer and then click here at the bottom, and then Control V will be there. It is called the clipboard copy. Okay, using this we can also copy paste the image inside the writer document. Now if you want to insert from the scanner, so select it, go to the image, insert, go to the pictures and click from the scanner, and scanner, if you have attached the scanner, then scanner will be appear. Okay, now number 3, next way to insert the using the gallery. So to open the gallery, we have to click on the tools option. Okay, so click on the tools. Here we have option to see the gallery. Okay, if you click on gallery, different images are there. Based on this is the background images are there, some different bullets, computer images, environmental images, school and universal images are there, symbols are there, right, transportation. Like I want to add a background image, so we'll select it and select any specific, click on that. Okay, then right click it, click on insert. We have 3 ways to insert it. You can copy it, so it will be here. You can assign the link also. You can also set as background page or graphics, but I want to copy this, so I will click here. Now I have copied, see, it is here. Now I want to copy this photo, so right click on insert, then click on copy. Here we can see the copy is there. Okay, so this way make copies of the photo from the gallery also. So if you want to disappear the gallery, so click here and click on the gallery, it will be disappear. Second way, you can also click here. Okay, so it will be different navigation keys is there. Gallery, if you click here, then again gallery will be appear here like text shades. So here if you want to add it, right click it, click and copy it, it will be appear like this, see. So this way we can insert the different graphics inside the writer also, this way. Got it? So these are the different ways to insert graphics inside that. Students, do some practice to insert the images with the different areas from the different files. Okay, and also we have to save it. So how to save the file? Click on here, click on the save, then it will appear the name of the file. So it will appear unit, will type here unit 1 session number 2, right? And where to save it? We want to save it inside our folder, so we'll click here, then standard 10th CBSE. Okay, we'll select it and click on save. So we can say it is saved in our folder. Now after this, I'm going to solve the chapter 1 session 2 self-assessment. Okay, so I hope you understood this, how to insert the image inside the document, and after this I'm going to solve the assessment of this session 2. Okay, till then, thank you and bye, and don't forget to like and share my videos.